Hi, grade 6. I wish all of you are fine. Today we are going to revise our grammar lessons, okay? And before you watch this video, I want all of you to revise your grammar lessons from your first term booklet. Do as shown between brackets. Number 1, Mona doesn't eat sushi. We use never. Mona doesn't eat sushi. Here this tense, the sentence is in the present simple because we have doesn't, okay, and after doesn't we put the verb without s. If I want to use never, this means that I must cross the negative from the sentence. I can't put doesn't and never in the same sentence, but because never means give me the negative meaning. So it will be Mona never eats sushi. And because we cross doesn't, we put s in the verb. Number 2, I am going to or will travel to Cairo this afternoon at 2 p.m. Choose. Here, of course, I travel to Cairo this afternoon. This means that I prepared everything. I am ready. Okay, everything is ready for traveling. So here I'm going to use I'm going to. I'm going to travel. Here I'm sure that I'm going to travel at 2 p.m. Okay, everything is ready. I prepared everything. Okay, I can't use will because will, this may give me the meaning that may happen or may not. I may travel and may not. Number 3, he does at a big company use currently work. Here, work in a big company, okay? Currently here, give me the continuous meaning, okay? So when I use it, I'll use it in the present continuous, okay? So it will be, he is currently working. Currently, like all the adverb of frequency, we must put it between the helping verb and the main verb. So the helping verb here in the present continuous is, and the main verb is work. So it will be is currently working. I can't put currently is working. It will be wrong. Number 4, go and help him. He carry heavy bags. Correct the verb. Here, go and help him. This means that I'll give you order to do something now. Okay, so it will be in the present continuous. It will be he is carrying heavy bags. Number 5, how often she go to the gym. Here, how often, of course, I use it for the present simple to know the time when you are going to do something or when you do something. So it will be twice a week, once a year, twice a month, okay, and all of this. So here I'll use the present simple. After how often, I must put the helping verb, and the helping verb here in the present simple must be do or does, and here we have she, so it must be does. So how often does she go or goes? What do you think? So how often does she go? Yeah, very good, because if we put does, we can put the s in the verb. So it will be how often does she go. Number 6, she practices the piano twice a week. So here also I'm asking, the sentence here in the present simple, and here they ask me to make a question. Interrogative form, it means to ask a question. So she practices the piano twice a week. Here I'll ask about the time, twice a week. Can I use when? But it's better to use how often, okay? How often, and the helping verb will be does. So how often does she practice the piano? How often does she practice the piano? And of course we cross the s from practice, okay? Number 7, he does his homework. Change into negative. He does here, it's not an auxiliary verb. It's not an auxiliary verb. It's a main verb. So we need a helping verb to join not with. So the helping verb here also in the present simple must be do or does. And because we have he, so it must be does. So it will be he doesn't. Can I say he doesn't his homework? So where is the main verb? I don't have a main verb here. So I'll add doesn't, and then we put do, the main verb of the sentence. So it will be he doesn't, this is the helping verb, and do, I put do, as a main verb, so he doesn't do his homework. Number 8, he watered the plants while he speak to his wife. Correct. Here we have a key word here. What's the key word? Yeah, excellent. While. While here, it's a key word reminding me with the present simple, past simple and past continuous. Okay, and we said that while I can put post action, long action, both of them in the past continuous, or one past continuous and one past simple. So here, he watered the plants while he speaks to his wife. Okay, can I put both of them in the past continuous? Or one of them past simple and past continuous if they are interrupting each other? I think that they are not interrupting each other. He was watering the plants while he was speaking to his wife. So he did the two action at the same time, the two action happening at the same time. So it will be was watering and he was speaking. Okay, both of them are happening together at the same time in the past, in certain time in the past, because the past continuous we use it if we are talking about a certain time in the past. Number 9, here come Ali again. Correct. Of course, I said before many times, when we find the word here or there, and it's found in your first term booklet in the present simple, here or there, we must put the present simple tense. So here comes, okay, or there comes. Whenever we have here or there, we must put after it the verb immediately, not the subject. So I'm not going to say here Ali comes. No, I'm going to say here comes Ali. Okay. Number 10. I have booked a room in a hotel that overlooks a marvelous sight. Choose. Of course, here sight, I'll choose the first one, because here I'm talking about a wonderful sight or a sightseeing, a beautiful sight I can look at, okay, outside the hotel or around the hotel. And these words are in the confused word in your student's book and your booklet, first term booklet. Number 11. It's preferred to wear loose t-shirts in hot countries. Of course, it will be loose with double O because it means wide clothes or something that's larger than your size. Number 12. The little boy is knowing the alphabet by heart. Correct the mistake. Look at the sentence here. Is knowing. Does it mean that the boy is knowing the alphabet only now? Okay. Can I use it like this? And also look at the verb now. Now is a stative verb. And stative verb, okay, shows fact. Stative verb shows fact. So I can't use it with the continuous tense. I can't say is knowing the alphabet, but it must be in the present simple, knows. The little boy knows the alphabet by heart, okay? Number 13. Tom woke up, wash his face, and have his breakfast. Correct. Here, the first verb in the past simple. This means that saying some actions that happened in the past. So Tom first woke up, then he washed his face, then he have his breakfast. So these are sequence of events. Action happened after each other in the past. So it will be all of them will be in the past simple. So Tom woke up, washed his face, and had his breakfast. These are sequence of event. I use it with the past simple. And if I have sequence of event happened in the past, so all of them will be in the past simple. I can't put one of them in the past continuous and one in the past simple. Okay. Number 14. I think they move to California next year. Okay. Here we have two keywords to correct the verb here. First keyword, next year. Next year showing me that I'll use the future tense. Okay, so, but which kind of future tense, which form? I have will, going to, or the present continuous. So which one I'll use? Here I have another keyword showing me which form I'll use. I think give me the, it's a keyword to know that I'll use will, not going to. Because we have some expressions in the booklet, okay, when we find them, we must put the verb with will or put will form for future. So I think they will move to California next year. Number 15, the school principal accept the newcomer in grade 5. Correct the mistake. Here, of course, the mistake also, it's one of the confused word, accept. Okay, accept here, it's not a verb and I can't use it here, but the right one is accepted. Okay, and of course it will be in the past. The school principal accepted the newcomer in grade 5 means the school principal agree or say okay that the newcomer will join grade 5. Number 6, Tom's voice was dots. Complete using adjectival phrase. Here, of course, answers will vary, okay? We're going to have many answers. You can write any phrase to describe Tom's voice. So you must choose a phrase that contains an adjective or a whole phrase that describes the noun. So it will be here, for example, Tom's voice was as loud as thunder. Number 17, Mohanad Gandhi was 45 when he came home to India in 1914. He was a lawyer. Write the author's purpose. The author's purpose, as we know, we have three author's purpose: to inform, to persuade, and to entertain. Of course, here it will be to inform because we have some information, okay? So it will be to inform. To entertain if there is a story or a song, so we can use to entertain. To persuade if someone want me to agree about something, okay, or persuade me to do something, so here it will be to persuade, okay? And thank you and good luck.